Come on, VTEC. VTEC! Dude. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Kevin, and today we have a 2005 Acura RSX. So, as usual, I will take you guys on the outside, give you guys an exterior tour, and come back to the inside and tell you guys what I like and don't like about the interior. And finally, we'll take it for a quick POV drive. So, let's go. So, for the exterior, well, I really like this exterior of the RSX. And one reason is that it has these body kits that you'll buy from shop, but it comes from the factory. So you get that front diffuser, side skirts, and also a rear diffuser. So like this flare right there on the light looks so cool. It's literally like something you buy from aftermarket parts, but it actually comes from factory. So I really like that. Well, now since we're in the back, I also really like these tail lights. These rounded tail lights makes it look really JDM from that period, and it reminds me of the Mark IV Supra, which has 4 tail lights, but these ones has 3 on each side. So yeah, really like those. Oh yeah, another thing in the back is real exhausts. That's what you get in 2005, but now in 2021 we don't get real exhaust anymore, so that's a plus. All right, now to the side. The side profile of the car looks really cool. It has this 2000s coupe shape, the JDM shape, and yeah, it's not too special, but it looks really good. All right. Oh yeah, last thing that I really like are these wheels. These wheels looks really cool because it has just very simple design. 6 spokes, or 12 if you count the doubles. But yeah, very simple, very race car like, very cool. Well, overall I really like this car's exterior. If I really have to say something negative about it, it'll have to be the ride height. So this is a coupe and a sports car, so like I can put 4 fingers in it for the gap is not acceptable. Even my Mini, I only need to put like 2.5 fingers. Yeah, but then you can easily solve this problem by getting an aftermarket suspension. All right, that's pretty much it for the exterior, and now let us talk about the interior. So first thing you know is this two big dashes here. One is the tachometer, and then the other one is the speedo. Very clear, black with white background. And on the side you have your temperature gauge and also the fuel gauge. And yeah, very basic but very clear. And second thing about the interior, I really like that this is very driver focused. So you see, like, everything is angled to me, the driver. Like from the left side, all these mirror control, roof lights, and on the right side the AC controls and hazard lights. These are all angled to me, so I have like full control of everything that's going on. Well, the third thing I really like about this interior is these seats. Oh yeah, sorry about the mess here, but these seats are actually really comfortable. These are cloth seats, and they actually have very good bolstering on the side, and so that when you're going through fast corners, you won't be throw around the car a lot. So that's a plus. But actually there's different spec that has leather seats, which I've heard is actually not as good as these, because the leather seats are very slippery. So even with the bolstering, you'll still be sliding around. And also this is a 15-year-old car, or like 16 now. So the leather, as time progresses, it will just become really nasty. So if you get this car, get the cloth seats if you can. Oh yeah, one more thing I completely forgot to talk about is the trunk space. So this, even though it's a coupe, it's actually a kind of hatchback. So you get a lot of trunk space. And as I said before, the back seats are literally useless, so you can just fold it down. Why is it not going down? Okay, there we go. And you get like infinite amount of space here. Way too much for a coupe. So very nice. All right, that's pretty much it for the exterior and interior. So let us take it out for a drive. Come on, VTEC. VTEC! Dude. Dude, just the engine itself is worth $5,000. Come on. Just listen to that engine. Oh yeah, talk about engine. This is the famous K-Series K20 motor. Oh, why is there traffic? What? Alright, so this is the K-Series K20 motor. It's inline 4 with around 160 horsepower, if I remember correctly, and 140 pound-foot of torque. And all the torque and the power comes at VTEC, which is around 5,000 RPM. So basically, this engine is always baiting you to go stay at least like 4,500 RPM, and that's where you should be when driving this car. And yeah, I can't say enough good things about this engine. I just really love the sound, the throttle response, and this is why this engine, the K20 motor, is very popular, not only in the cars that has it stock, but also a lot of people use this engine to modify other cars. So they put these engine into those classic Mini Coopers, and it makes it extremely fun. And also these engines are extremely reliable too. Oh my gosh, this rattle is killing. Oh shit, this rattling is killing me right now. But I shouldn't complain. 15-year-old car. Alright, I'm gonna stop complaining. Alright, guess you guys just enjoy the drive from right now. Honestly, perfect weather, beautiful California day. Just a little bit of traffic. So now the question is, should you get this car in 2021? Well, depends on what you're trying to get. So first of all, the budget. For $5,000, there's not a lot of option for something that's fun. One car that I can think of that's more fun than this car, and it's JDM, is NA or MB Miata. And in the fun factor, those two cars will guarantee beat this car, just because it is much lighter and has a shorter wheelbase, and it's just designed to have pure fun. And that's all it's for. But then if you want a little bit of practicality, or if you live in some place that always rains and snow and you can't just have a two-wheel drive in the rear, you might want to consider this car, because this car is practical, fun, and also it's one thing is that it's front wheel drive, so it will actually do well in the snow, at least compared to a Miata. So in my opinion, this is $5,000 well spent. Alright, that pretty much sums up this video. So as always, if you like the video, please show me some love and click that thumbs up. And if you want to watch more of these content, my I can't speak right now, some POV reviews by Kevin, myself, then subscribe to Kevin on Cars. I appreciate that, and I will keep bringing you guys great content like this one. Alright, as always, drive safe, have fun. See you guys next time. Alright, last end. Hold on. Oh, come on, no VTEC. Oh, there it is. Alright, now see you guys next time.